Seven-year-old Yusuf Lado is training to be a welder. He'd not yet learned to read or write when his school was closed.
Nigeria has the highest number of out-of-school children in Africa. The leading cause for this is Nigeria's longest-running problem, insecurity. For Nigeria's government and security forces, kidnapping has become a major security challenge. The armed gangs or the bandits or the kidnappers have gotten paid around $20 million as ransom in the last decade. The kidnappings here have become a big business to the criminals. Dozens or at times hundreds of people get abducted in a single attack. The number of kidnappings in Nigeria has risen since Boko Haram's 2014 abduction of hundreds of schoolgirls in Chibok, many of whom are still missing. Since then, hundreds of people have been killed or kidnapped every year, with thousands or more displaced from their homes. Talking about the recent attacks, a traditional chief in Ijan Ekiti, Chief Emmanuel Obafemi, and two other cocoa merchants were freed by the kidnappers on 29th of December 2021 after they were paid around $1 lakh as ransom. Due to this drastic rise in the rate of kidnappings, President Buhari is facing mounting criticism. Kidnapping for ransom has become one of the major security challenges in Nigeria, with states being hit with several mass kidnappings this year. More than 600 schools have been closed to avoid attacks after scores of students were kidnapped. From 2011 to 2019, the bandits have killed over 8,000 people in northwest Nigeria. The situation here is so bad that the people in power suggest residents to arm themselves in order to protect their families. Katsina, like other northwest states, has witnessed incessant attacks by terror groups. On December 29, 2021, the Katsina State Governor Aminu Masari called on residents of the state to arm themselves and confront the bandits, because security officials cannot tackle the insecurity in the state by themselves. Speaking to the media, Masari said it's Islamically allowed for one to defend himself against attack. One must rise to defend himself, his family and assets. If you die while trying to defend yourself, you'll be considered a martyr. Masari also said the state government would help those who plan to own arms with the view to help bring an end to the banditry. Media reports guarantee the government's involvement in negotiations, and experts say most of these mass kidnappings have been motivated by ransom money and other rewards often offered to the repentant gang members by the government officials. President Buhari has said that the state governors could be fueling the kidnapping for ransom crisis and limiting the headway security forces can make by rewarding bandits with money and vehicles. He suggested the state and local government instead to play their part by being proactive in improving the security system in and around the schools. Regardless, as the days pass, the rate of these crimes keeps increasing, and it wouldn't be wrong to say that the year 2021 proved to be the darkest in Nigeria's history. Every effort of the government went in vain, and every outcry of the families of the abductees fell on deaf ears.